Check out this, y'all. 63 Continental. Pretty sweet. Just gonna put an amp, 4 speakers, and a subwoofer. Throw this on the gram. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? I told the Instagram that I was gonna put this car on there, but I'm gonna put it on Instagram and I'm gonna put it on the on Facebook. So, 63 Continental, you know, badass car. I actually really want one for myself. We're just gonna put some speakers in here. This thing only comes with 1 speaker up here. You'll see from the pictures I put two 3-inch speakers up there, coaxial from Audio Control. And I'm gonna try to get these 5x7s in the back. It's pretty nuts. They only, back in the day, I guess they didn't really care for sound because they only had 1 speaker back here and 1 speaker in the front. And now I gotta figure out how to get these to fit back here. Probably be undermounted, but you'll see. Stay tuned for that. And then in the back, we will put a subwoofer here on the right. Audio Control 12-inch shallow sub. So, stay with me. AL Designs, Anthony Lyons. Back at it again. Let's go. And there you go. Box is all completed. Audio Control, 12-inch shallow mount. Got everything vinyl. You saw the pictures. Now we're gonna move on to the deck and amp and get it going. 63 Continental. Man, this thing is sweet. Let's go. All right, YouTube, all finished. You saw the subwoofer set up, all good to go. 5x7s are in the rear deck, back in the back. Got some lights down underneath. They play with the music. And Sony radio in the glove box there. Nothing too special, but it came out really good. You got your 3.5-inch speakers in there. And we are good to go. Just a quick little install. Actually, it wasn't quick, but you know, radio, 4 speakers, and a subwoofer. So anybody got an old school classic, let me know. Stay tuned for more from AL Designs. We got a really good one underneath that cover soon, and sneak peek, this is coming along pretty good. Good old Riviera. All right, stay tuned.